to 9. Very similar. Sometimes we call it different things, like relative formula mass, relative molecular mass. They really mean the same thing. I think the only difference is, in this case, you do have these are ionic compounds. Not that that makes any difference. Well, the other thing is I don't remember what lead is. We'll see. Okay, so you do the same thing, however. Now you can call it RFM if you fancy, because the questions are in formula mass. I really don't mind whatever you want to call it, RMM or RFM, as long as you don't use a symbol that actually is meant for something else, which right now we actually haven't learned. Now I'm gonna take a guess. It's 207 something, but probably not right. I don't know where it is. Where is it? All right, 207.2. Close enough. So 207.2 plus 2 times 16 will be 239.2. Okay, so that's part A. Moving on to part B, aluminium iodide. So RFM is the relative atomic mass of aluminium, followed by 3 times the relative atomic mass of iodine. So we have 27 plus 3. Now I will not even pretend to know what iodine is, because I don't think I ever remember. 126.9. Let's see. Maybe in the future I will. We'll see how long this will last. Probably not going to remember. 400. It's gonna be so funny if this is like really wrong because I looked at the wrong thing. So this is another example of me being paranoid. I tend to look at it twice because I have this fear. Not unfounded, because I did make that mistake in year 11 when I used the atomic number instead of the mass number, the actual mass of oxygen, no less. I mean, you would think that I would know that oxygen does not have a mass of it, but that was such a funny mistake. All right. And then you need the relative atomic mass of calcium. We got calcium, carbon, and 3 times the relative atomic mass of oxygen. So that's, I do believe, would use 40.1 in this case, and 12 and 48, which is 101. It's gonna be, again, very funny if that mental calculation was wrong. I think it's pi. It is 60 for these two. All right, let's stick with RFM. Now this one, AR, will be, I need 2 of that. What is lithium? Okay. Is it 6? That would be odd. It's not 6, is it? It is, well, 6.9. Off by 0.9, which, you know, would double. And obviously that's another answer. So 22, I think we agree on 22.1 earlier. 32.1. So 2 times 6.9 plus 32.1, 45.9. Okay, I think that